Kate Hudson looked sexier than ever when she showed off her toned body in nothing but lingerie to support Breast Cancer Awareness Month. It's no secret that Kate Hudson, 42, has an incredibly toned figure, and she proved that when she rocked sexy lingerie to support Breast Cancer Awareness Month. The mother of four rocked a set from Kit Undergarments featuring a low-cut ivory bra and a matching pair of low-rise lace cheeky underwear, styled with a pair of white leather pointed toe-heeled booties. Kate posted her sexy photo with the caption, "It's Breast Cancer Awareness Month and I'm stretching my quads before joining my friends at Kite Undergarments and at Third Love as they kick it to cancer by donating 15% of sales from the hashtag #KitAKickCancer collection to Women's Cancer Research Fund." Kate is always showing off her figure in some sort of sexy outfit, and just the other day she headed to dinner when she rocked a sequin Louis Vuitton tracksuit. The jacket featured a plunging V neckline that revealed ample cleavage, while the fitted trousers hugged her long, toned legs perfectly. Aside from this look, Kate showed off her toned pins when she attended the Academy Museum of Motion Pictures opening gala on September 25. For the occasion, she rocked a high-waisted skin-tight black leather Louis Vuitton Resort 2022 skirt that was super short, styled with a long, black sequin-draped Louis Vuitton Resort 2022 top. Related gallery. Kate Hudson, see pics of the actress. These past 2 months have been super exciting for Kate, as she announced on September 13 that she is engaged to her boyfriend of 4 years, Danny Fujikawa, 35. She announced the proposal on her Instagram with a photo of the two kissing each other as she showed off her ring. She captioned the photo, "Let's go," with a bride, groom, and a church.